We'll guide you through how to select and print only highlight cells in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a quick and simple way to print only specific cells in Microsoft Excel instead of the entire worksheet. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel from your desktop so you can access the tools needed for your project. Once Excel is open, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to quickly open a previous project file. After the file window appears, move to the search bar located near the top of the screen. Type the name of your file carefully into the search bar so Excel can locate it faster. When the correct file appears in the results, select the file by clicking on it once. After selecting the file, open it to continue working on your project. Next, drag your mouse over the cells that you want to print from the worksheet. Continue pressing and dragging across all the cells you would like included in the print area until every needed section is highlighted properly. After selecting the cells, go to the ribbon at the top of the Excel window where different tabs and tools are displayed. Look for the File option on the ribbon and press on it to open the menu. Inside the menu, find the Print option and tap on it to open the printing settings. In the Settings section, click on the option labeled Print Active Sheets to display another menu of choices. From the list that appears, choose the Print Selection option so only the highlighted cells will be printed. Once everything is set correctly and you have confirmed your selected cells, print the document right away to complete the process successfully without making any additional changes or adjustments. Before printing, take a moment to review the preview screen to make sure the selected cells appear correctly on the page. If the information looks cut off or incomplete, return to the worksheet and adjust your highlighted area before opening the print menu again. You should also check that the correct printer is selected in the settings so the document prints without problems. When everything appears accurate, click the Print button and wait for the pages to finish printing. Following these steps will help you print the section you need from the Excel worksheet.